Hello and welcome back to the new year. I hope all is well with everyone. This is Onyx Foothill, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make scones. Scones are one of the easiest baked goods to make at home. With just a few simple ingredients, you can have fresh homemade scones in no time. So let me show you how to make these easy scones. Start by whisking together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large mixing bowl. Next, using a box grater, grate your chilled butter into tiny pieces and add them to the flour mixture. Use your clean fingers or a pastry cutter to work the butter into the flour and ensure they are evenly distributed. In another bowl, whisk together buttermilk, egg, and vanilla. Gradually stir in the buttermilk mixture into the flour and fold until the flour is completely wet. Drop the spatula and use your clean hands and bring everything together until it is evenly combined. Lightly flour a work surface. Turn out the dough onto the flat surface and knead it gently for 2 minutes until it comes together nicely. You don't have to overmix the dough at this point or you will end up with hard scones. Roll it out to about a 1-inch thick disc. Use a flat biscuit cutter or a glass cup to cut out about 4 to 5 drop scones from the dough. You can re-roll the scraps again until you have used up the entire dough. Place the scones on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and then refrigerate it for 15 minutes. This will help prevent your scones from overspreading while in the hot oven. When you're ready to bake your scone, glaze the top with egg wash to give the scone a really beautiful golden color once they are out of the oven. Once done, bake them in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden brown at the top. Now our delicious scones are out of the oven. You can let them rest for a few minutes before serving. You can enjoy your freshly baked scones with clotted cream, fruit jam, or whatever topping you like best. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, friends, have a beautiful day and goodbye.